Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter about phone section. Here you have to find this MIUI version line and just tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message, "You are now a developer." And now you can find your developer options in the additional settings, and here they are, our developer options. You can also disable these developer options here, and after that they will disappear from your settings list, or they not. Here you can see they disappeared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.